This is why you should install Project Universe. First, I got all these menus. They have custom maps. They have different songs. They have different songs. My favorite is this one. Oh.
Westone.
My favorite is they have maps. They have maps like Stumble Guys, which is pretty good. Just make you if you don't follow the map like that. But this is Minecraft. Oh shoot, I forgot to. Oh no. Alright, and then we got Minecraft, which is super laggy. Yeah, I'm not going down there. No, I'm not going down there. And also, what is it? So make sure, and they have a whole bedroom. So make sure, and they have cosmetics in the shop, and then there's more cosmetics in the second floor, and then there you have a huge amount of shiny rocks. And there's even this thing where when this doesn't work. So yeah, download Project Universe now, or the owner should have named it Universe Runners. So search on HIO to get it. I'll teach you to get it. Also, they don't have the mouth. Yeah. I'm gonna make it.